1 and basement 2. And then lahat ng parking nila is nasa baba. So may mga separated parking kada places dyan. And then, itong gitna, naglakad tayo dyan kanina. Ito yung rotonda. Ito yung rotonda, tsaka yung park.
Touchscreen yan pala.
Yeah, touchscreen din. Yung park. So eventually, this will be open to the public because magkakaroon tayo ng future 4,500 square meters na retail area which is wrap around siya. So para siyang Serendra or Molito in Alabang, you're familiar, gano'n siya. Kaya may open to the public siya. Eventually, mga 4 lease yan. So target construction is this year. Then target start of operation is by 2028. So of course, yung mga brands is mga medyo high-end din yung tina-target. And then, meron tayo ditong, aside from the main road, ito Circle Road, we also have here, parang si Miss, nakita niya to kanina. Dito siya banda, sa likod nito, kaharap ni Nubeo Tower 1 is what we call Park Road.
Ilang tawag tayo? 4?
Tatlo.
So, isang file lang.
Park Road, dito siya banda. So, secondary road siya, pag lumabas to is to Alabang sa Pote Road na. So, technically, Nubeo, may dalawa siyang access from here and from here. For Viento naman kasi dito lang siya.
Ilan level per tower mo?
This one po kay for Viento muna. For Viento, this is 12 floors, Tower 1. Tower 2 is 17 floors, then Tower 3 is 22 floors. So, hindi siya magkakapantay. Dito naman for Nubeo, since wala pa namang Tower 3, so Tower 1 is 17 floors, physical floors. Then Tower 2, although meron lang ganon, may balita na maglo-launch pa lang kasi to this year, around quarter 3. Ang balita is around 21 floors siya. And then Tower 3, wala pa pong anything na big announcement regarding it. And yan, so meron tayong 4 phases. Again, Viento, phase 1, the 3 towers of Viento. Then phase 2 is itong nasa harap. So, ang original plan kasi dito before is magiging office building siya. Pero hindi na lang sinuloy kasi parang napansin ng natin na hindi siya ganun ka-in-demand. So eventually, this will be another luxury condominium development by Ayala lang here. So yes, magkakaroon tayo ng ALP project inside Circa. So that's why talagang we highly encourage you to sell our projects in Nubeo, as well as yung natitirang unit sa Viento. Kasi once na mag-enter to, mag-launch to ng project, may prices in the area will increase talaga. So to give you lang a background, way back 2017, nung nilaunch to si Tower 1, ang average price per square meters is around 175,000. 2017. And after 8 years, more or less than 8 years, 2025 ngayon, ang price per square meters na is 280,000. So around 60% capital appreciations in less than 8 years. So wala pa si ALP noon. So yan, eventually magkakaroon pa tayo. Although wala pa namang official announcement kung kailan, kung anong year. Pero ang balita is malapit na. Siguro mga 2027.
So most likely, if that is mga nasa 400,000 na per square meter.
Siguro mga 320, 350 pag nag-launch na to. Pero ang balita kasi is 2027, pero hindi pa naman yun official. And then of course, ito si phase 2, tapos yung phase 3, yung ino-offer natin ngayon, at may inventory pa tayo na smaller units is in Nubeo Tower 1. Ito siya. And right now, yun nga, nasilip niya siya kanina, ginagawa pa siya. Buo na siya yung building actually, so ang target turnover nun is around next year na, quarter 2 2026. And then eventually, total na sabi ko na kanina, meron tayong target launch ni Tower 2 this year, mga around September, if hindi ako nagkakamali, or October. Ito, target launch siya. So, ang inventory dito, hindi pa kasi masyado i-relay sa amin yung details, pero more on, maraming 2 bedroom. Ito si Tower 2. Marami siyang almost 40% is 2 bedroom. Kasi ang in-demand ngayon dito sa Circa is more on 2 bedroom units.
Usually, sino ang mga clients ninyo? Yung mga nag-reserve naman?
Usually mga taga-Ayala Alabang, kasi katabi na ito ng Ayala Alabang, as well as yung mga for retirement. Yung mga anak nila, parang binibilan ng unit yung parents nila na for retirement. Kasi malapit to sa hospitals, sa Asian Hospital specifically. Gusto nila yung Asian Hospital kasi private siya. So, minsan naman yung mga parents naman, binibilan nila ng unit yung mga anak naman nila. Yung mga mayayaman, gano'n sila. So, either sa mga anak, sa mga parents na mag-retire, or investment, yung mga OFW din, bumibili ng unit, tapos pinaka-rent nila. So, ang rent dito is around 900 900 to 1,000 per square meters. Depende pa yun sa mga furnitures nyo or anything. Then, of course, next is phase 4. So, ito naman, circa commercial lot. So, ito sold out na to last month lang. Kaya, in total, circa is a 6.6 mixed-use development, hectares development. So, ayun lang po ang overview ng site development plan natin.